Hello YouTube, welcome to another video of Fastback Racing. So today Ruby's going to get its first modification, and that first modification is a new fuel door. And this is an aluminum fuel door. Kind of get the directions out. I'll show you the directions. All right, so that's the directions, and looks like I need a flathead screwdriver, which I don't have.
I think I have one.
All right.
Get my tool bag.
Okay, so what you're gonna do is put this flathead over here, and that out, slide that off, and here's the plastic. All right, so we're gonna line these up. Trying to line it up correctly. There we go.
Alright, I think we ironed out all the problems.
I still don't like the way they're still, but whatever.
Alright, there you go. Beautiful gas tank cover.
Alright, there you have it. Simple install of a new fuel door. Gives Ruby a little bit new character. And I liked it. It's a lot better than the plastic that came in the factory, and it was an easier install than the one that I used to have, that I did on my 2010 before I had Ruby. So thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you're first time viewing, and hit that like button.